friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, I am going to tell you about how to speak in English fluently. Actually, if I am saying fluently, so there is a gap between speak fluently and speaking. If you are a beginner, then you will only try to speak. You can't able to speak fluently in beginning. For speaking fluently, you have to work consistently. So, I will tell you four basic steps that will help you to improve English. First, you have to work on your vocabulary. If I am going to tell you about the vocabulary, you are not going to study the dictionary, whole dictionary, because there are lakhs of words and there are so too much difficult word. You can't able to learn and you will get bored when you are going to learn that kind of word. So you just start daily use vocab words. Daily use words means whatever the words you use in a daily routine, you just catch that word, whatever the requirement, and you will get lots of data and YouTube and Instagram. You just follow that page or you search in YouTube. There are lots of content available as at daily use. So you just use that kind of data that will help to improve your vocabulary. And you just catch, not you have to learn, you have to speak. You have when till you can't able to speak if you are not learn and listen. So the first step is you have to learn the vocabulary, you have to improve your vocabulary. Okay. So second portion, you have to work on listening. Since English, you have to speaking is the process of conversation. It's not a professional language. Means you have not to learn professionally. You have to learn to for a conversation, for to discuss with someone, for to cracking any interview. You have to face daily use words. So this is little bit different from professional level of English. So what you have to concentrate, you have to listen more, concentrate on listening. When you have to learn professionally or you have to crack any entrance exam, you have to focus on reading. So that will improve your writing and that will improve your um, professional English. But if you are talking about the conversation English, you have to more concentration on listening. And what kind of thing you will listen? You will listen story. It may be motivational story, it may be inspirational or comedy podcast, any kind of interviews, um, any kind of video that is available in English. You just start watching that video. So that will be at the beginning you will get a difficulty, but the when you able to listen the conversation English, it will not too much tough. You will get easily understood and you will try to speak that thing. Because when you will not acquire that thing, you will just only all able to listen, you will not able to learn totally. So you have to focus on listening too. And then practicing. You can practice in front of mirror. In front you can talk to any kind of teacher that is free. Any person that know to speak English, you just discuss with them, you just talk with them. That will help you to improve your English. uh, because and don't aware about whatever you are doing your mistake. Just like me also, we are doing lots of mistake in the beginning level, but don't focus on it. You just try to speak and at the end you will able to learn very good English and you able to speak in front of someone. Third and most important thing, you just learn the small sentences, just like let me do, keep on smiling, uh, behave yourself, don't talk like this. And there are lots of sentences are available for the daily use, that is very small sentences you use as a daily life, so you can able to learn more efficient way because there is a connectivity between the vocabulary and this kind of small sentences, this that able to make a big structure slightly. When you are a beginner, you just keep on connecting them, so it will help you to improve your English fluently. The fourth important thing, that is grammar. Grammar is not that you, if you are doing mistake then is also okay, but you have to at least know that what should we use to for this kind of English, for that kind of sentence, for that. So there is for the preparation of basic structure, there is some rule, you have to understand them. So don't too much focus on the grammar, but with the basic knowledge of that grammar, that will help you to connect the sentence and then to speak the sentence. This all are the thing, and this all are the thing that will help you to speak fluently. And if you will able to create an environment like this, and like in the family, if you speak in the family, um, in English, there is a 2 or 3% that are able to speak in English, then will create a good environment. So it will help you to more fast way to speak English fastly. Okay, so just keep on work on this 4 point. You will able to learn English fast, and the most important thing, you have to work consistently. It depends on only you, that either it will take 30 days, it will take 90 days, it will take 60 days. It totally depends on your practice. So keep continuously practicing and keep on working. Whatever the time you can able to give, you just give to English, so you will able to speak fastly. From the next video, I am going to tell you an important fact. It may be related to Ramayana, it may be a motivational story, it may be any Gita's fact that is also useful to you, and that will also help you to improve your English. These two things that I will able to express you, and that will help you to improve your English. So keep on watching, and if you like my video, then subscribe my video, so that you can continuously watch my video. Thank you.